Hey y'all, welcome to another video. I want to first start off by saying judge your mammy, not me. And next thing I want to say, I'm going to go ahead and tackle these kids' room because baby, obviously it's time. I usually do make them clean up themselves, but this time around, as you can see, I'm handling it. No pressure, no smoke. It's nothing but really clothes and, or not clothes, but shoes and toys for the most part. And then I'm going to go ahead and tackle my baby girl.
Remember the days
I really just hope that you guys enjoy the video.
Wild and free, basic gettings bright. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Now listen, the day I found out which one of these kids been pulling these things off this closet door is the day that I'm gonna pop some behind, because why? Like, just why?
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic gettings bright. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
Now, does anybody else have a 9-year-old child that just act like she do not know where to put her clothes at when she take them off or before she put them on? Because it really makes no sense how much clothes be all over this little girl room. Like, sus.
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you
go? Her clean her room on her own from time to time, but it's literally nothing wrong with me going in there and, you know, just giving it a little 1-2 so that when she come home from school she can walk into a clean room. And I just think that'll make her happy. Like, I love when I clean up and I see her go in her room and lay down and just, like, you know, be chilling. Like, yeah.